good people, welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm going to review all the ICO. But before I continue, please do not forget anything I say in this review video is strictly of my own personal opinion. Do not take it as a professional advice. Let's go straight to business. Imagine you'll be able to trade, send, exchange, do everything you need about cryptocurrency just in one platform, in one app. That is what Hoard ICO is all about. That is what they promise. This ICO is really beautiful, really beautiful. I love this. I really love it, and it's going to make trading much easier for everyone. It's going to make it easier for everyone. Instant payment, automated investing, simplified trading, powerful portfolio, dedicated support. Fanatical support teams available by phone, email, and chat support channel 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If they can work on this, wow, because most of these exchanges we have and all these different cryptocurrency platform, to be able to get in contact with the customer care or support is always difficult. Now them being to do this will really be of help for everyone. Now let's talk a little more about the token sale. You want to know about the ICO. One thing that the ICO for now is on waiting list, so you have to get whitelisted. They are starting very soon. Token sale is coming up. So for you to do that, all you need to do is to type your email address. Once you type your email address, whitelist your email address. So type your email address here and click send, and you'll be on the waiting list. And 7,140 people on the wait list already. I mean, just join so that they will inform you when the token sale is available and you'll be able to start your token sale. Well, it's 6 cents for the price, 6 cents for the public sale. Maximum supply is 300 million, 200 million for token allocation, $2 million for the soft cap, and $10 million for the hard cap. I'm sure you want to know about the people behind this. You want to know who are those behind this ICO. Well, let me show that to you. Now, welcome Jason Davis, the CEO. Now, let me start with David Davis. You want to know if this ICO is real, if it's copy and paste, pictures and all the rest. This camera ICO, this guy is real. I do a background check on YouTube to find out if there's any video. So this is what I found. What is a crypto wallet? Blockchain weekly this week. All the invest. And look at the date. 26 January 2018. That is 8 months ago. 8 months ago. Now let's watch this video briefly.
You guys have some questions for our guest today, and I want to get him on just as soon as possible. So I'm going to bring him on right now. Jason.
Hey. Can you hear me?
How are you doing, man? Yep, I can hear you okay.
So you can see, this is the guy, Jason. You see the face? Let's go back. This is the guy. So these guys are real. These guys are real. I mean George Warren, Joseph Akintolayo, Jacob, Eric Gibb, and it's a whole lot of community. The team members are huge. They have numbers of people. Look at the advisors. Wow. And they have a lot of experience. Strongly believe. So don't forget to get whitelisted. Send them your email address. And 2,227 members. I think it's understandable. Token sale has not started. They are starting up. So this number is okay. Now let's check the Twitter. 6,199 follower. Wow. This is huge. This is huge. So I'm following. You see, David is here. You can follow him. This is the CEO. If you want to follow him, you can. know more about him. This is him. This is the guy. This is him. Now let's check the wallpaper. The wallpaper is well put together, beautiful. I've checked the wallpaper. I've done my background check on it. I can tell that the wallpaper is well put together. It's not a copy and paste white paper. It is unique white paper. 27 page, and I encourage you to take your time to go through the white paper. It tells you know more about the project and what it's all about. What it's all about. The is registered on 17. You can see August until 18. August already expired. They must have paid now for the renewal of the website. So now, what is my thoughts? I mean, I am really bullish about this ICO. I believe the app they want to do is going to be huge, and if things fall into place, this is going to be humongous. It's going to be huge. I'm going to drop the link down below. Just click on it and sign up for the ICO. You can also go to blog and you see many articles they have. Many articles. Go to the blog, know more about this ICO. So as I said, I'm dropping the link down below for you. Click on it and subscribe, get whitelisted, and get involved in the token sale. But do not forget, it's strictly of your personal decision. Thank you for watching my video. Before you go, please, just click on the subscribe button. Just subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and click the notification bell. And until next time I come again, this is ICO Reviews.